In this course, we will be covering various topics of Sublime Text that aims to make you a Sublime Text master. We will be covering ins and outs of Sublime Text functionalities and their configurations. In particular, the topics that are covering includes multiple cursors, package installation, sidebar and windows, line operations, go to anything and command palette, snippets, key bindings, macros, color schemes, themes, and user preferences, build system, etc. We will also have 2 hands-on projects. In the first project, we will guide you step by step on how to make use of Sublime Text to develop a web page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the second project, we will develop a Python project with Sublime Text by making use of Sublime Text build system. With this, we will get to know why Sublime Text is used and recommended by many developers for development purposes. At the end of the course, you will be able to leverage Sublime Text with its full potential for text editing and development purposes. In this course, we will demonstrate the Sublime Text using Windows, but the interface of Windows and Linux are almost exactly the same. And for Mac, there are some differences in terms of keyboard shortcuts and some of the menu items. If there are keyboard shortcut or menu item differences in Mac, I will explicitly mention them when I go through the course. I will be focusing on the function of Sublime Text 3 in this course, which is the latest version of Sublime Text currently. It's free to evaluate with full functionalities without expiry date. There's a lot of Sublime Text keyboard shortcuts that could help to boost your productivity. To ease your learning, I have prepared a cheat sheet as a bonus, where you can reference it while you are following my lesson, or even after the lesson. You can use it wherever you are using Sublime Text. Please download the cheat sheet from the resources in this section. And lastly, please leave any comments here should you have any questions, feedback, or anything you hope I could cover in this course. Great. And we will be starting our lesson now. Are you ready? Relax and enjoy the lesson.